Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to use the new Messenger Notes feature 2023. So the first thing that we'll need to do is to make sure that our application is updated. So let's go to our Play Store and then search for Messenger. Okay. So since I already updated my messenger, I can see the option where I need to update this one. So if you do, just click on it and then wait for a few minutes until the latest version of the messenger is installed on your device. Now let's open the messenger application. Okay. And then just click on the your note option. And then you will have to type out or share a thought to your Facebook friends. So for example, I'm going to type out tired and then just click on the share option at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, so your notes will be visible to your Facebook friends for 24 hours. And if you want to, type out another notes for another 24 hours, so all you have to do is to click on that again and then type out the new notes that you want to type out. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.